finding a good wild camping spot takes time. Sometimes you have to drive many kilometers, but the views along the way make up for every kilometer, and the spots are usually worth the effort. Traveling by camper gives us a sense of freedom. We can stop wherever we want and wake up in the most beautiful places.
Being in the Pienini by the Dunajec, it's impossible not to spend at least one night directly by the bank of this mountain river. We found such a charming spot. Well, to be honest, Marcin went a bit overboard. I said it should be close to the water, but this close.
Judge for yourselves. Let us know in the comments if this spot is nice. I like it. Fortunately, it's not supposed to rain, so we're staying here for the night.
Silence, nature, and us. Overnight, stay by the Dunajec, moments worth living on the road for. But traveling wild is not always idyllic. Sometimes nature puts us to the test.
Let's go see what Dad did here so we can leave.
No. There? Okay. Now, because there's too much water here. Look what I'm doing.
Oh God. No, because we slipped here, right?
Wow, but it's good that we managed to get out, right? No! When you have good ideas, sometimes trips can be tough. But it's good that we managed. Really.
There we would.
Did Dad manage to get out, but he got the car dirty. It's already cold. We need to get in the car. What? No, it's cold. Yes, no, but dirty. Show me.
Another suggestion for accommodation in the Pienini. If you feel like walking, there's a spot near the Homole lift. It's off the beaten path, so there's a good chance you'll be here alone. Alan.
Sleeping wild in a camper is a completely different experience than a night at a campsite.
I can't believe it. Look who came here.
And the little dog is keeping watch.
And here is a little dog. Do you see the sheep?
These are guardians, shepherd dogs, and it's better not to disturb them unless I should. Yeah, good. I'm not sticking out here. Keep watch, keep watch.
A person gets up, drinks tea.
You don't have this at the campsite.
And that is the magic of wild camping. Nature comes to you.
while in the Pieniny we cannot miss stopping by Lake Czorsztyńskie. Therefore, the next place is right here. We have access to the lake where we can cool off on hot days after a full day of walking or cycling. But above all, we can admire the beautiful castles in Czorsztyn and Midzycia. A nice place to spend a night or two is the free parking spot in the town of Sromovce Niżne. Dances are organized, but until 10 p.m. you can also sleep peacefully.
The second place in Sromovce Niżne is a pit spot. The advantage of this place is definitely that it is even closer to the peak of Trzykoroni and also offers a beautiful view of the peak itself. Martin is observing right now.
Yes, I'm observing. If you want to know if there's a line at the viewing terrace on Trzykoroni, I have full insight. Call right away and you'll have the info. For now, it's empty. If anything, just call.
Can you go now?
Now you can go.
Exactly. Plus, we have neighbors, running horses. We have peace and proximity to the Dunajec, which we use. Gryzibek, do you have everything?
The mushroom like this string in an emergency.
Is there humor? Is there humor?
There is humor.
Will you chase them? Those rafters?
Chased away.
Of course!
If you want to see how we managed on the Dunajec, the link is at the top of the screen.
And how to make a good pizza in such conditions. You'll see that in another vlog. Link at the top of the screen.
Do you want to feel the freedom of a camper, see more wild spots, and hear about our road adventures? Click subscribe and hit the road with us.